Reading from a file. Suppose we have a file in the same directory as our nim program, kittens.txt, with the following contents: Spitfire, Vivin, and Motor. We can use the read file procedure to read the entire file into memory. Okay, so let entire file is read file kittens.txt. This will read the entire file into the string entire file. Okay, so that returns the string. Now we can just print it out. Okay, we can also read the lines of a file by opening a file object and using the read line procedure to read the individual lines. So this is probably a little bit more how it would be actually used. So we create again procedure read kittens. We define a file f by open and kitten.txt. So open basically assumes the file and it doesn't require any imports. Interesting, like always available like that. Close the file object when you are done with it. So we can defer f close. Oh, that's really nice that we can defer. That's something I'm missing in C#, but I always like was fun in Go. And then we do let first line is f read line. Echo first line. Okay, so we have read line. And we could probably loop over it in some way. Writing to a file. We can write a string to a file using write file procedure. So again, text is cats are very cool, and we write to a file this to a cats.txt file. We write the text. This will create a file on the system named cats.txt containing cats are very cool. You can also write a file line by line using a file object and a write line procedure. Okay, so very similar. We specify our lines, 1 word per line. The fmWrite constant specifies that we're opening the file for writing. So again, the same open. And we just specify if writing will be probably read or probably read and write. Okay, I'll copy it to check it. Again, we defer closing it. And for each line that we specified, we just write it down. Bam. So let's check what other values are available here. So fm read, does it work? It does. Fm read write works as well. And fm right. And if I'll do something weird, yeah. Okay, that's simple. Do we have it specified here? Let me restart this Visual Studio. It's just like every time something happens, it just breaks. Sync IO .open, and it takes the file mode. Okay, default mode is read only. Okay, so fmWrite is sync IO .file mode .f. Yeah, too bad we can't just go to that one. Oh well. But hey, that's cool. So, wow, that was a really short introduction to files, but I guess we were able to read from a file and save to a file. That's good enough.